Hi guys, welcome back. Apple has just rolled out the 8th developer betas of watchOS 26, tvOS 26, and visionOS 26 just 1 week after seeding the 7 builds. Developers can download the latest software directly through the Settings app on each compatible device, though a developer account is required for installation. Much like iOS 26 and macOS 26, both watchOS 26 and tvOS 26 adopt Apple's new liquid glass design, bringing a refreshed and more cohesive look across platforms. On the Apple Watch, watchOS 26 introduces an AI-powered workout buddy designed to bolster motivation, while the Smart Stack now offers more personalized and context-aware suggestions. Other highlights include the long-awaited Notes app on the Apple Watch and support for live translation, making it easier to communicate in different languages. tvOS 26 brings entertainment-focused upgrades, including the built-in karaoke support using an iPhone as a microphone, enhanced AirPlay speaker integration with the Apple TV, and new AL screensavers. Additionally, Apple has streamlined the setup process with faster Apple logins enabled through Apple account syncing. And on the Vision Pro, visionOS 26 introduces special widgets that can be placed anywhere in the environment, improved lifelike personas, and new tools for shared special experiences between two users. It's worth pointing out that visionOS beta remains developer only, while both watchOS and tvOS betas are also available to public testers. Apple plans to officially roll out these updates this fall.